G'day to all you wonderful people who come back and watch my videos week after week or day after day, given my 12 Days of Movies series. And to anyone who hasn't been here before, my name is Kathy and this is where I talk about my plants and all my other pet projects. This is only going to be a brief video. As Christmas and New Year both fall on a Friday this year, and as that's the day that I usually bring out a video, I wanted to let you know that I will not be bringing out a video on either of those days. I wish all of you the very best over this holiday period. I hope it is safe, wonderful and joyous for you. And I wanted to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos, for supporting me throughout this journey of mine. I honestly cannot express how much it means to me and how grateful I am to absolutely every single one of you. So thank you so much for making 2020 a weird and yet wonderful year in some ways, for me anyway. And I'm sure like a lot of people, we are all ready to say goodbye to 2020 and to hope that 2021 is a much better year for everyone around the world. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. I will see you all in the new year.